What up, guys? So if you've been mining on the Gido application and you haven't been making use of your hash codes, or neither have you been using someone else's hash code, then you have been doing it wrongly, guys. You are not doing the right thing, because recently they made an update to the application where you can see a leaderboard of about top 100 eligibility leaderboard. All right, they made a leaderboard of a top 100 eligibility, now meaning there are things you need to do in order for you to be eligible for this airdrop. All right, so these are the top 100. I know there are more people, but these are the top 100 people on the leaderboard. All right, and in order for them to be on this leaderboard, in order for them to make it to this leaderboard, they were all using hash codes. All right, so in this video I'm going to talk about that and show you how you can actually use your hash code and also use someone else's hash code. We're going to be doing that in this video. So if you're interested and you want to know how this thing is done, you have to pay attention to this video to the end. All right, so for those of you who are new to this project and doesn't know what is going on here, you need to watch the previous video I did on Gidochain. All right, you need to watch that video to know how this platform really works and how to get started and all that. I made a previous video, and the link to that video is in the description, and also the link to creating your account is in the description of this video. So go down there, you click on it, and you are good to go. And that video is going to show you everything you need to know as a new member on the platform. All right, now quickly, I need to claim my daily boxes right here. This is how we mine, for sure. So you can see I've gotten about 12 boxes already right here. So I need to quickly claim that by clicking on this button right here. Okay, I'm gonna click. All right, so I've collected my boxes, and now another one has started generating for me. All right, so you have to know, that. So you have to make sure you're coming here to click every 12 hours, because each boxes takes 1 hour to form. All right, so after 12 hours you can come over and claim your 12 boxes, and it's going to be added to your balance. All right, so that's how this place works. Now what we are here to do is talk about the progress. Go to the progress section, click on progress. All right, now when you come to the progress section, you are meant to use these 3 codes that you can see right here. These are your own codes, but you can't use them and submit your own code. No, you have to share your codes. Now you have to share your codes with your friends, those who are also mining on this application. Share with them, and you guys can exchange your codes and use each other's codes to increase your eligibility, your airdrop eligibility. You can see it over here. All right, so you need to exchange your code with other members. All right, now for that reason I also created a WhatsApp group for this, where we always exchange code with each other. But now you need to understand that you can use a particular code once in 72 hours. Now meaning after 72 hours you can still use the code, but within that 72 hours you can't use that particular code again. So if you use it once, you have to wait after 72 hours before you can use it again. All right, now you have to also understand that there's a limit to this, how many codes you can use in a day. All right, so the maximum code you can use in a day is about 100 codes. So after 24 hours you can use 100 codes again. So that's how it works. Take your time to read all these things so that you understand what I'm talking about here. Now quickly, let's say you already have a code that you want to use and submit right here. Like I said, I have a WhatsApp group that I created especially for this exchanging of codes. So if you want to be in that group, the link is in the description. Go down there, you click on it, and you'll get into that group, and you are going to be sharing your code there every single day as you wish. All right, now quickly I'm going to go over to that group and copy some code and bring over here and submit here, and I'll show you how we use it. All right, all right, so here we are. Here we are in the group I talked about. You can see this, all we do here, we just post codes and share codes with each other. All right, so if you want to be part of us, the link is down there. All right, so I'm just going to copy this code. I'm going to copy this right here and try and use it right now. Let's go back to the application. All right, so I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to paste it here, paste, and submit. Okay, all right, so that was used. Okay, I'm going to paste the second one again. All right, so you can see it was successful. I just copied it and I used that code successfully. So you need to do this offline. I can go back again and I'll copy another code again from here. I'm going to copy this time around, and I copy this and I go back to the application and I'm going to paste this same code I just copied. All right, now these are two different codes I'm using right now. All right, so I'm just going to paste it here again. I'm going to paste it here and I'll paste this way. All right, so that was done. Also, I just used that one also. All right, so guys, so that is just how you can use codes, and you are going to see you are going to be increasing your airdrop eligibility over here. You can see I'm already at 4.30%. All right, that's where I am right now, and I've already used some codes right now. You can see I've already used about 6 codes today. Okay, so that's just how you use code every single day. But guys, in case you use a code and it tells you that it's gotten to its maximum, just know that that code has been used for that day. About 10 people have already used that code for that day. So you look for another code and use, and you yourself, if you try using one particular code in the next 72 hours, it's going to tell you that you've used it and you cannot go ahead and use. So that's why you need to be in a community where a lot of people are mining this project, so that you can share with the group members. All right, so like I said, the links in the description. If you want to be part of us, you can go down there and join. All right, so you can see over here on the leaderboard, you can see there are a lot of people who are already topping this chart already, because they are trying to be eligible before this project gets launched. All right, so you can see up to somebody has about 77% already have 77.25% already. Right, so very soon it's going to be completely 100% eligible, because he has used this code about 1094 times. All right, so and other people have used this code to about 426 times. So there are a lot of things you need to do over here in order for you to boost your earnings. All right, so guys, that is just how you use the code, and you can actually share your own code also. Now, like for me, if I want to share, all I need to do is just copy this and I'll go back to that same group and I paste it. I'm not going to be pasting now because I posted in that group not long ago. All right, so I'm not going to be posting anymore. You can see right here, these are my codes right here. So I'm not going to be posting again because I need to wait for some time, just to give it a little bit time for a lot of people to come in before we can try pasting again. Maybe tomorrow I paste. All right, so that's just how it works. That's how you can use the hash code. That's how you can use the hash code in order for you to increase your earnings. Guys, it's going to help you get your eligibility very fast, so make sure you make use of the code every single day. All right, just keep exchanging and keep using them, and you are also going to be earning some more while you mine. It's going to increase your mining speed and your earning rates. All right, so it's very important you use this code, and that's just how you can use them. All right, so if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.